The reversing camera is being replaced on this C-Class Cabriolet. First of all, switch on the ignition. Using the diagnostics device, select the 360-degree camera, because the reversing camera is part of this system. Under Controls, tap this again and activate the camera with On. The reversing camera then extends, and the cover with the star can be unclipped. Unlatch the clips on each side. Then you can pull the cover downward and remove it. Now switch off the ignition, and then open the rear hatch. The cladding in the rear hatch is fastened with 6 clips. Use a suitable tool to gently remove these, and then you can remove the cladding. Pay attention to the electrical connector for the lighting. There are 2 screws on the reversing camera, which you can access with the tool at these 2 points. We will take a look inside the rear hatch from the left side to show you where and how you unscrew the first screw. Now we will look inside the rear hatch from below into the cutout to see the second screw. Now we can actually remove the reversing camera. Push the locking hook backward from above. Looking into the rear hatch from the side, you can see how the locking hook is pushed backward. Now you can carefully remove the camera downward. Unplug the 2 electrical connectors. When fitting the new camera, make sure that you do not pull this cable out too far, because otherwise you will damage the camera. The camera may only move within the marked area. Then unplug the connector. Turn the ignition on again. Now use the diagnostics device to calibrate the reversing camera. Do this via the Teach-In Process menu. Then take the vehicle on a calibration run and follow the instructions of the guided test. After the calibration run, the camera has been successfully replaced and recalibrated.